The Soviet invasion had major effects on world relations and Cold War threats. Détente collapsed beyond repair, and superpower tensions filled the air. SALT II was pulled, so it was never passed. Cooperation faded fast. The USA no longer trusted a Soviet Union seen as aggressive and destructive. Economic sanctions damaged trade, whilst Olympic boycotts were displayed. In 1980, the West stayed away. Then Moscow returned the act in LA. The invasion also proved expensive. For the Soviet Union, it was relentless. Around $8 billion it cost each year and drained an economy already under fear. 15,000 Soviet troops were dead, whilst millions of Afghan civilians bled. Some estimates reached 1.5 million lives, showing the human cost of the Afghan fight. The war lasted almost 10 hard years, bringing the USSR its growing fears. The mujahideen would not collapse despite Soviet weapons and massive attacks. America's support strengthened resistance, supplying weapons with determination and persistence. This turned Afghanistan into a place where Cold War rivals fought by proxy in space. Reagan's policies increased the strain as the arms race accelerated again. SDI terrified Soviet leaders too, who could not compete with US technology. The Soviet economy grew weaker still, trying to match America's military will. Many historians later would say Afghan helped push Soviet decline underway. When Gorbachev came to power in 85, he knew reform was needed to survive. The Afghan War became a symbol clear of Soviet weakness in later Cold War years. So the consequences stretched worldwide. Dayton ended, tensions amplified. Afghanistan became a Cold War scar, helping shape the final phase of the superpower war.